Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving a problem. Leetcode number 1768, merge strings alternately. First of all, we're given that we have two strings, word1 and word2. So let's just look at the example first of all. So here word1 is ABC and word2 is PQR. We have to merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word1. What this means is we start off with the first letter from the first word, which is A, and then we alternate between the second and the first word. So after A, we go on to P, which is the first letter from the second word, then back to the letter from word 1, which is B, and now from word 2, Q, word 1, C, word 2, R. So it's a pretty simple problem, but we have one more detail that we have to consider. When the two words are of unequal lengths, for example here, we have AB and PQRS. So first we would take A, and then P, and then B, and then Q. But now what do? Basically, we just have to add the extra letters. Here it's RS, just add them to the end. And this would work the same if word 1 is longer than word 2, or if word 2 is longer than word 1. So anyways, let's get to coding up the solution. First of all, I'll just initialize the string that we're going to return. So str1 equals an empty string. Now let's think, we're going to need to take letters up to a certain index from both the strings, right? So in this case, we have AB and PQRS. We're going to need to take letters up till the index 1. That is, we're going to have to take two letters from each string first of all. And then, the remainder we can add towards the end. So for this, we're going to have to find the shorter length among the two words. So let's just assign slen equals min. So we're going to use the min function. And what the min function does, it takes the minimum value of the parameters. So here the parameters we're going to give are len of word 1 and len of word 2. So now that we have slen, all we have to do is iterate up till slen, up till the index that we've provided, and take letters from each of the words. So for I in range slen, we are going to iterate through word 1 and word 2. So let's just check this case. So AB has two letters, so the min value that it's going to take is going to be two letters, and we'll have it run through I equals 0 and I equals 1 because the range is up till 2. So once we have this, we have to add the letters up till that point to str1. So str1 plus equals word 1 I plus word 2 I. And here, so word 1 I, when on the first iteration, I would be equal to 0. So we'd add A, and then plus word 2 I, we'd add P. And then the second iteration, I is going to be equal to 1. So we'll take word 1 I, which is B, and word 2 I, which is Q. So now our string would be equal to A, P, B, Q. So let's actually just return str1 plus here, and what do we actually need? We need the remainder of the longer word, but nowhere in our program does it actually tell us which word is larger, right? We're just taking the minimum of the lengths. We're not storing that word 1 is larger or word 2 is larger. So we're going to use a little trick. We're going to add parts of both the words after slen. And the interesting thing here is, since the shorter word will not have letters past slen, it's gonna take it as an empty string. So here we would have str1, which is this entire part, and then word 1 slen, which means everything past the index slen. In this case, word 1 AB does not have any letters past slen, while word 2 has R and S. So this should return A, P, B, Q, R, S. And there we go, that's the entire solution. Now I'm just gonna submit it, and yeah, there we go. So yeah, that was Leetcode 1768. Thank you so much for watching.